In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello cards together across different boards. Whether you're managing projects, coordinating team tasks, or simply trying to keep your workflow organized, linking cards between boards can be incredibly beneficial. It allows you to create connections and dependencies across various tasks, ensuring everything is streamlined and accessible from multiple points. First things first, let's log into Trello. Open your browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once there, in the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted with various ways to log in, but for this tutorial, let's use Google. Click on the Google option and select your account. This will grant you access to your Trello board seamlessly, making it easier to move forward with our task. Now that you're logged in, let's head over to the specific card you want to link from. Navigate to your Trello dashboard and choose the board that contains the card you're interested in. Click on your desired board and then the card itself. This will open up the card in a detailed view, allowing you to access its settings and other options. Look towards the bottom of this panel and you'll notice a button labeled Share. Clicking on it will open a menu with various options related to sharing and linking the card. Here's a quick tip. Sharing options can be particularly useful if you want to collaborate or communicate specific tasks to colleagues or stakeholders outside of Trello. In the Share menu, you'll find a section where you can copy the link to that particular card. This link is your gateway to interconnecting cards across different boards. Click on Copy Link to this card, and now that unique URL is saved to your clipboard. With the card link copied, it's time to paste it into other relevant cards on different boards. Navigate to the board where you want to add this link, and open the card you wish to connect to. Once you have that card open, simply paste the link into the description or a comment, wherever you feel it best fits. Doing this creates a direct line of navigation between the two cards, acting as a digital bridge across tasks. Remember that linking cards in Trello not only boosts your organizational structure, but also facilitates better communication among team members. It allows everyone to see how tasks are interrelated without having to navigate back and forth excessively. This technique can be particularly useful in reducing redundancies and ensuring that the team remains on the same page. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've connected Trello cards across different boards. This small adjustment can enhance the way you manage your personal projects or teams, bringing a higher level of efficiency and clarity to your workflow. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy organizing.